Welcome back, fellas, to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to dive into the advanced video ad editor in QuickAds.ai. To begin, I'm selecting Zara as my brand. Let's go. QuickAds is fetching the data from the website, and here we have the details of the brand. Now, let's proceed further. You'll notice we have a few more options here. I'm checking the advanced options. Here we have scene pacing, where you can choose between normal and fast pacing. This controls the speed of your video transitions to suit your style, quick or steady. For this video, I'm selecting fast pacing. Let's move forward and select the script. QuickAds is generating video as per our script. Here we got our ready video. Now, let's open the Advanced Editor. As you can see on the right, we have our working panels. Let's explore these options. First up, we'll edit the thumbnail. You can modify the thumbnail of your video and select your preferred option. I'm selecting this one. Next, we have the option to change the voice. Here, you can switch the background voice of the video. On the same panel, we also have different modes of speech and accent. And yes, QuickAds even allows voice cloning. Below that, we have the Edit Transitions option. Here, you can add effect sounds and check out how you can change the transition style. The default is set to fade, but you can select whatever fits your video. Then we have Edit Text option. We can edit the text style, tone, color, and theme as we want. And that's it! Once everything is edited and ready, you just download the video. Simple and effective, right? With QuickAds.ai's Advanced Editor, you can craft stunning video ads with ease. See you in the next one.